DeepL is marketed as one of the most accurate AI translation tools available. But the real question is, are the translations actually legit, or can DeepL still be unreliable? Now, to be fair, DeepL genuinely has one of the strongest reputations in machine translation, especially for European languages. What it does well, translations often sound more natural. This is the main reason people like DeepL compared to older machine translators. The wording frequently feels smoother and less robotic. Strong performance for European languages. DeepL is especially praised for translations involving languages like English, German, French, Spanish, Dutch, and Italian. Where it falls short, it is still AI translation. This is the biggest reality check. DeepL can absolutely make mistakes, especially with context-heavy, technical, legal, or culturally nuanced language. Not equally strong across all languages. Performance outside major supported languages can vary more noticeably. Idioms and slang can still fail. Like all machine translators, DeepL sometimes misunderstands humor, sarcasm, regional expressions, or informal speech. So, is DeepL legit or unreliable? Short answer, definitely legit, but still not perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.